Hey guys, it's Vicki Kinner, independent Scentsy consultant, Scentsy director with team Scented Style. And today I'm super excited because I have a warmer that is from the Fall Winter 2022 catalog, and I'm excited to show it to you. All right, you guys, so if you like this video, please give it a like. And if you enjoy my content, please consider subscribing. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you know when I have posted something new. And comment below. Let me know what you think of this one. All right, you guys, let's get into it. Okay, so as a consultant, we were able to purchase early different sales kits, and one of them was called the Home Kit, and it came with 5 different warmers that are going to be available August 1st. So we got them early so that we could share them with you. And this one is called Pretty in Purple, and I love purple. So I'm super excited to open this one up and check it out. So let me see, and as always, I enjoy reading the motivational quote from Heidi or Orville, and sometimes Heidi and Orville, who are CEOs. And this one says, "It takes courage to grow, fail, learn, and make mistakes on your journey to becoming your best self," which I love. This is the one that was in the previous video as well. And I love this quote because really it does take courage to try something new, think out of the box, take risks. So, you know, and to fail, it takes courage to fail because that means you tried. So I really love that quote. So let's go ahead and open her up and see. Okay, so you get a 15-watt bulb and you get your handy dandy plugger inner, okay? And so let me tell you a little bit about this. We have ceramic warmers and we have glass warmers, and this part is different on both of them, okay? So if you ever need a replacement, contact your consultant. If this goes bad, we can get you most likely another one sent out. So you need to know whether you have a ceramic or glass warmer, okay? Important. All right, to turn it on, this button right here, okay? Now, people have asked, what is this button, Vicki? What does this do? Well, not everyone has horizontal, vertical outlets. If you have a horizontal one in your bathroom or whatever, then you're gonna need to be able to push this and turn it to whatever makes this upright. So that's what that's for, okay? So that's so that you can plug this in. So that's important to know. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna put in the 15-watt bulb. You just screw it right in. And then we are gonna go ahead and look at this. I'm excited. Ooh, this is pretty. Okay, so it's not super bright purple. To me, it's more of a lilac, which I really like. And so let's take a look at that. Look how pretty. It's very like kind of frosted glass looking to me. It's super pretty. It's kind of like a heather lilac purple. So you just go ahead, stick this in here and twist. So you just twist. And that is what it looks like. So now we're going to go ahead and plug it in. Now how we're going to do this is Scentsy also sells a tabletop base. Again, you need to purchase it depending on whether you have a glass warmer or whether you have a ceramic warmer, because this part is different. So we're going to go ahead. We're going to unscrew this. But I love these because they just give you a second option for your warmer. Like if you don't want to actually plug it in, if you want to put it on a stand of some sort or like on a shelf. Okay, so what we're going to do is I have a little stand here so that you can see, and we're going to plug her in, and then we are going to try different color bulbs inside. All right, so this one again is called Pretty and Purple. Okay, this is the clear bulb. 1, 2, and 3. That's beautiful. It's not super purpley. It's like a kind of a mauve color. I think that's beautiful. That is really pretty. Very pretty. It glows like mauve to me. Very, very pretty. I love that. So we're going to go ahead and turn that off, and we're going to try different color bulbs, which are fun. And sometimes I just like the clear bulb, and sometimes the last warmer I really liked the blue in it. But you just never know. All right, so we're gonna try the purple bulb. I gotta be honest, I'm not a big fan of the purple bulb. It's more of like a black light looking bulb to me. It's not very bright. So, but this is a purple glass, so let's see what it does with that. Yep, again, I'm not a fan. Not a fan of the purple bulb, okay? I'm most likely gonna just like the clear bulb in this because it has that beautiful purple glass. But let's go ahead and try it just so that we all know. So you just know already what it looks like. Okay, so we're trying the green. Next, 1, 2, 3. That's kind of pretty. Still prefer it with the clear. The last one I did, I preferred with blue. So you just never know. It's fun to try. We're going to go ahead and try the blue. See what we think about that. All right, 1, 2, 3. It's pretty with the blue, but again, I preferred it with the clear. The clear makes it really like mauve and just beautiful. So far, I'm thinking the clear bulb is the best one for this, in my opinion. In my professional opinion. I'm not a professional. There are no such things. Everyone likes different stuff. We all like different stuff. All right, 1, 2, 3. The red's pretty. Again, prefer it with the clear. So let's put the clear back in and check it out. Super excited for this one. Very pretty. I think this is going to be a popular warmer. It's very beautiful. And if you're worried about, well, I don't want purple, it's not super purple. Like, as you see here, it looks like the lighting is so good. It's picking up exactly what I see. Sometimes it'll get blown out by the ring light, but I think this is very accurate. It's more of like a heather gray muted purple. And when you turn it on, it's just, that's just stunning. That's just really pretty. I love that. To me, it glows, not violet, it glows mauve. I think that's beautiful. I think this is going to be a very, very popular warmer. So again, what do they call it? Pretty and Purple. I like it. Let me know what you think, you guys. Again, it's available August 1st. All right. So comment below. Let me know. All right. We'll talk to you later, you guys. Bye.